Hello guys, as I have said that I'm going to share some insight that how to analyze your past year paper. Okay, and analysis of past year paper of your own prelims is very important to find the mistake which you had committed, and there is a possibility that that is why you were not able to clear the prelims. Okay, so this particular analysis which is going to help you a more, you must do it for all the years. There is a possibility that you have appeared in films only once, let's say in 2018, or you have appeared in 2019 also, or you are appearing from 2014. So for each and every paper, you have to do this analysis. So what you have to do is you have to pick your PYQ, your own, not the coaching वाला. एज आई हैव सेड कि अगर अपने पेपर पे समोसे रख के खा गए हो तो ये एनालिसिस करना बड़ा मुश्किल है, क्योंकि फिर पता नहीं चलेगा. एंड व्हेन यू डू इट विद योर ओन पेपर, तो वो क्या पता चलता है कि ओके मैंने इस क्वेश्चन में ये मार्क किया था, बट लाइक 2019 तक वी हैव ऑफिशियल आंसर की ऑफ यूपीएससी, so it would be easier for you to analyze it. So what you have to do, like, and I'm going to share the word file after this session. So in that word file, you'll have to write the number of questions which have been asked in civil services. Let's say that four questions, not four, five questions of geography. Out of five, you marked like two incorrect questions. Economy 12, out of that, let's say six. Then environment 15, environment 15. Out of that, you have marked, let's say ki, out of 15, 8 negative. Okay, so the same process you'll have to do for science and tech, ancient, modern, current affairs, and politics. And total is 100, of course. Out of 100, how many incorrect questions you have marked? Let's say 40. Okay, and now you have to go subject wise. Like in geography, okay, two question one were incorrect. What was the reason behind that? Silly mistake, let's say one. Doubt in two question, let's say one. Because now you don't have any space, only two questions were incorrect. Let's say out of eight, silly mistake one, doubt into two, never heard four, and one. This is for correct. This is for correct option. So out of five, two incorrect. In three, or you can say that okay, in two I had proper knowledge. In one I had silly this doubt into option, but although that was correct, because this is going to be proper analysis of your problem. So doubt in two, but it was correct by luck. Here doubt in two, both incorrect. Incorrect. Never heard four, but you had attempted, let's say, three question, and out of that one, that is tukka. After doing this exercise for all the topics, you'll find that you had made silly mistake in seven questions. Doubt in two options were, let's say, 30. Proper knowledge, let's say, 40, and never heard it 23. So now you know very well that in 23 questions you had no knowledge, no knowledge at all. This is the problem of horizon of knowledge. Horizon of knowledge is problem here, because you had no clue in 23 questions. Doubt in two options. It is the problem of revision. Silly mistake. It is the problem of alertness. So you had made some mistake, silly mistake, doubt into, let's say 30 out of 30 you have attempted, but luckily 10 were correct. But in the examination hall, you had doubt here. Proper knowledge, 40 questions. You had the proper knowledge. So the game is you have to increase this proper knowledge. Unless you increase it, unless you increase it, there is no way that you are going to clear the prelims again. It should be like, let's say that in first round you had attempted 52 questions. Out of 52, 48 must be correct. Then you are on safer side. Let me repeat this whole process again. Geography number of question were 5, incorrect 2, and these 2 incorrect, and I forgot to make another uh, box here, and it should be like correct. Okay, number of correct 3. Then you have to analyze. Okay, I made silly mistake in 2 questions or 1 question. I had doubt in 1, never heard 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and proper knowledge 2. And then you'll have to mark red mark. That that uh, this proper knowledge, out of that 1, I made incorrect, and from here I made incorrect. So you know that whatever knowledge you had during the examination, what mistakes you have committed. Okay. Generally, those who are not able to clear the prelim, this number out of 100, it remains around 30, or it could be 40, but around 30 it is. So it is a star mark for you that you have to increase the horizon of knowledge. Silly mistakes, some are making, like, let's say 8, 10, but in 2020, it was not allowed to make the silly mistake. Hardly 1 or 2 questions you can, but not in other questions. Doubt in 2 option, again I'm repeating, problem of revision. And if you really want to clear the prelims, then proper knowledge. It is gem. When you have proper knowledge, you know that yes, this is the option, and you know it with full confidence. So you have to do this exercise for all the years. 2019, it could be, again I'm saying 40. Then remark that why you failed. And this remark will come from where? From here, from here, from here. And anything could be here, like you didn't solve the proper number of tests. Or nowadays, people are committing one more mistake, like there is one candidate not solving any test. There is another who is excessively solving like 100 or 200 tests, but not revising. So to get the proper knowledge, first is static, it has to be strong. Second is solving test. Third is analyzing test. Analysis of test is very important. Analysis of test is very important. And fourth is reading solution. Even if you are solving 30, 35 tests plus PYQ, previous year question, I can guarantee you by following this process, you can clear the prelims. But we make this mistake. First, we don't prepare static well. Second, we don't solve the required number of tests, or we overdo it. Third, in the analysis side, we are very good. We don't do the analysis, we directly jump on the mark. कि कितने number आए यार, किसी टेस्ट में 120 आ गए, चाहे तुक्के से आए, यू डोंट केयर, यू आर सो मच हैप्पी. दिस इज नॉट द वे. And reading solution is very important. Underlining it, only then you will get the knowledge. And this thing, and this uh, reading solution, it will increase your horizon of knowledge. So I'm sharing this sheet with you. Okay, do the analysis of your previous year question, and then analyze yourself that what mistake you are committing. Because last time in 2016, that was the year when cutoff was too high, 116, and nowadays it is around 100 or below 100, 98. This year I'm expecting around 96. But even if we expect 100 this year, so 50 correct questions you need. And every year they will ask some question from different area. Let us say agriculture. How many questions out of 100 in agri? 12. And the whole year people are mad about agriculture. But to clear the prelims, because prelims is a qualifying exam. But to clear the prelims, you need to have 50 question correct. Okay, so don't get mad about other things. First thing is, so it is just a normal session. First thing is analyze yourself, analyze these things, and then check where you stand. Then next session I will say that how to increase the horizon of knowledge in depth and how to clear the problem. Okay, okay, guys. Thank you.